Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to ask Bart AI to create the perfect dividend portfolio for us. This is very important, and if you haven't seen our previous tutorials or case studies on Bart AI, you want to make sure that you go ahead and you watch each of these so you can see what kind of amazing results we achieved. Let's jump into this video over here. Please create a well diversified dividend portfolio with a budget of $10,000. Let's see what the Bart AI will grasp around the Wall Street Journal, Business Insider, Financial Times, all these medias. Let's see. Building well diversified portfolio, overall strategy. Okay, diversification, mitigation of the risk, mix of high yield and moderate yield stocks, provide a balance between income and capital appreciation. Potential, focus on blue chip and established companies. Prioritize financial stability and consistent dividend payout history. Allocation, distribute your budget across different sectors. Okay guys, potential portfolio choices, approximately $2,000 per sector. Perfect. I think this is going to be one of the best case studies so far. So consumer staples, Costco. Okay, Costco is paying around 1.1% currently dividend yield. Pepsi, it's paying 2.6%. Utilities, Next Era Energy, renewable energy leader, around 2.2%. Con Edison, 4.3% currently. Financials, JP Morgan 2.6%, Bank of America 2.8%, technology, Microsoft is paying 1.2%, Apple is paying 0.6%. Wow, Microsoft is paying double. Healthcare, Johnson & Johnson 2.7%, Pfizer 3.1%. Please note this is sample portfolio, okay? And individual stock performance can vary. That's correct. This is not a financial advice. We're just experimenting the power of the AI. I think this is very interesting prompt, guys. You want to make sure that you do your own research and due diligence. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.